So there are two ways in which you can add a rubric to your Canvas course. The first way is after you make an assignment or any assignment that is already created, you could add a rubric that way. So for this example, I want to add a rubric to my first assignment. So I will see right here, plus rubric, and then here I'm given an option to edit and create the rubric here. And the great thing is that once you make a rubric, whether in this Canvas course or any Canvas course, you can search for any prior rubrics to add to any other assignment. I would just have to click Find Rubric, and then I would see a list of rubrics that I've already created, and then I'm given the option to use this rubric. But if I don't have any rubrics already pre-made, here is where I would create a rubric. I would put a title, and then I would click Edit to give the description of what criteria I am looking for. This is going to be 5 points if the student meets. If the student is lacking, I can do 5, say 3, 2, 1, 0. And then I can give as many category ratings as I want. The total points are right here. Before I really dive into creating a rubric from scratch, I want to show you another way to add a rubric to your Canvas course without tying it to any assignment. Here to your home page, you would scroll down your navigation. You want to click on Outcomes. And then right here it says Manage Rubrics. So we're going to click on Manage Rubrics. List all the rubrics I've created in other Canvas courses. And here it gives me the option to add a rubric. The rubric I'm going to add is going to be for teamwork. And the criteria that I'm going to use is going to be the learning outcomes that Palo Alto has already preset for teamwork. And I'm going to add it to my Canvas. So right here, I'm going to put the title, Teamwork, and then it's asking for the description of the criteria. So I'm going to hit Edit. I'm going to copy and paste right here. And then here I can add a subtitle. I'm going to label it Student Contributions. And then here is going to be the long description. And then I'm going to hit Update. And now I will see it here. So I'm going to give the rating score a total of 4 points. This is going to be the full marks. And then I'm giving the detailed description of how the full marks will be met. Your rating description does not have to have as much information as mine. So once you've added your description, you will click Update Rating. You want to add another point value. So this one is going to be for 3 points. So I'm going to put my rating title here, Mostly Competent, and then I'm going to put my rating description. And then I'm going to hit Update, and then you can clearly see how this is starting to fold out. Now, if you want to add more criteria to your rubric, you would just simply press plus criteria, and now I'm going to click New. And again, I'm going to be given the same set of instructions to follow. I'm going to give my description, and I'm going to call this Student Interactions, and then I'm going to put my long description, and I'm going to click Create. And then once again, I'm going to add the point systems. I'm going to hit Edit and click Update. And you can just keep following through and make your rubric that would best suit your students. Now that I am done, I will click Create Rubric. Go to my assignments and show you how you would attach this rubric. So I'm going to go to this assignment right here, and it gives me the option to hit plus rubric, the option to create a new rubric, or I can simply find a rubric that I've already made. And there's my teamwork one. This rubric is attached to this assignment. From the student perspective, they will see all the instructions I would have for my students, and they will also see the rubric that I attached to it.